Mum and Addie are doing something crazy. Addie's sitting on there, and Mum's cycling, so then Addie can actually go on this bike.
I did. No, sideways.
We spent like 5 minutes deciding if Addie was going to ride it by himself or not. See?
How about dad?
See guys, I literally told them they cannot do it and they didn't listen, and yeah. Dad's turn. Let's see. I just got stung.
Okay, come on.
Go, maglakad na kayo.
Okay na.
I'll do. Guys, go away, it's mine.
What have you done to my hey?
Dada.
What have you done?
Iangkas niya si Ading sa bike. Angkas niya sa bike. Hang on pala. Hi guys! Magandang hapon.
Are you ready?
Hi! Hi! Dali. Nag-angkas yung dalawa.
No.
Si Dada tsaka si Ading nag-angkas sa bike. Ayan. Lalakad kami guys. Pauwi na kami.
Okay, that's enough. Let me go.
Pauwi kami. Pauwi kami, galing kami ng town. Nag-shopping kami ng shoes ni ate. Shoes ng pang-school. School shoes. Kasi pasukan na soon. September pasukan na ng school. So, bumili kami ng school shoes. At isang running shoes na naman. At saka dalawang trousers na naman.
And a top.
Puro sa kanya na naman. Si Ading ayaw naman niya. May size lang kay Ading, 6 pound na binili. What is that? Is it fidget? Happy na siya dun guys. Tapos kumain lang. Sila sa McDonald's na naman. Very unhealthy na mga bata. Ayun lang. So ngayon pauwi na kami. At saan ang bike? Sa likuran. Tapos
I want to go on the bike now. Where to go?
ngayon lang ang araw natin. Tapos mamayang hapon sa bahay lang. Ay, 3:30 na pala. It's already 3:30. At bukas sa park ang lakad namin. Sa kami ng park kasi may mga free rides. May mga rides din.
I want to go on the bike. They went off.
Nag-angkasan si Dada tsaka si Ading sa bike. Hindi uso dito pero uso sa Pilipinas. Angkas sa likod. Gustuhan naman nung isa. Ang sarap ng hangin. England is very hot at the moment. May pahalik-halik to guys kasi marami na naman na gasto. Malaki na naman ang gasto niya kaya may pahalik-halik pa. Pang uuto. Hindi na sila bumalik. They didn't come back. Oh, they gone straight. So, ayan.
She didn't come back for me.
No. They didn't. They don't like you. Okay. They didn't come back. They didn't come back.
Anyway, remember the Jikoskos.
Sa unang video namin guys, may Jikoskos si Ading. Giveaway daw niya sa birthday niya. Dahil sabi ko 200, sabi niya dinubli ba naman niya, tapang 400 daw. So panoorin niyo yung unang video namin. Kung masasagot niyo. Na masasagot niyo. Good luck. Sila oh. Wala na si Ading. Si Ading sila diba?
No. Where's Adding?
Ha?
Just put that on. Put the bag on.
I'll carry the bag.
I can actually ride this by myself, can I?
I bet you can.
Oh, don't put. Just put the helmet on.
Ading's in the park daw. Nasa park. Akin.
Can I?
Ano to? Akin na na. Pangit buhok mo. Ayan. Si ate naman daw magbabike. Isa lang ang dala naming bike kasi si Dada lang nagbike kanina umaga. Nagbike siya sa papuntang trabaho. Hinintay namin sa town. Kaya ngayon, isa lang ang bike. Gusto rin nating magbike kaso mataas pa sa kanya. Hindi niya kaya. Siya din mataas. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Pagod match.
Yeah.
Galing trabaho. Sana all may trabaho. Ako retired na. Hindi ako pumapasok. Retired na. Joke lang. Wala lang pasok. Siya ang galing trabaho. Tignan niyo yung tsura niya. Oh. Pangit na. Lalo pang kumangit.
Ganon.
Kaya pagtsagahan niyo na lang yung pagmukhang yan. Sabi ko kay Ading kanina mag-jikos ko siya kasi birthday niya. Alam mo sabi niya?
Oh.
O sige, I'll give you bonus. Gagawin kong 400.
Oh my God.
Loko. Gagawin daw niyang 400. Ano ba yan? So, ayan. Kung napanood niyo yon, i-comment niyo ang sagot. May 400 kayo galing kay Ading.
Anong tanong?
Ang tanong is, imagine if you're in one room that there's no door, there's no window, how can you escape? There's only one way to escape, but there's no door,
Hala.
there's no window. Guys, gotta stop.
Herring. Ganyo.
Hi, hi Ading.
Ate, so bike there. No.
No, we're going on the road now. Bye guys. Bye. Makulit na bata. Bye. Hello. Morning. Hello guys. Morning. Welcome to reality. Welcome back. School holiday. 6 weeks na school holiday. We just get back from Italy holiday. Ayun siya. Hi Dan.
Bye.